Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about how to change your virtual background. How to change your virtual background in the Zoom desktop client. In the Zoom desktop client, part 1. To change your virtual background, to change your virtual background in Zoom's desktop client, in Zoom's desktop client, launch the client and sign in. Launch the client and sign in. If necessary, then follow these steps. Number 1, select your profile picture. And then select settings. Number 2, select backgrounds and filters. Select backgrounds and filters. Number 3, if you have a green screen, check the box next to I have a green screen. Check the box to I have a green screen. Number 4, select an image or video. Select an image or video to be your virtual background. To be your virtual background. If you want to upload an image, upload an image or video, select the plus icon and choose the plus icon and choose add image or add video. Add image or add video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.